Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Happy day after Thanksgiving, everyone. Today we are going to cook up a little something with our leftovers. So, yeah, we're going to do two different things. Just come on in, check out these ingredients. We'll get into that. All right, so we got 3 scrambled up eggs. That's for the omelet. We're going to make an omelet first. We got gravy, that's turkey gravy. We got mashed potatoes. We got some turkey. We got some spicy, creamy jalapeno sauce. We just made that. That wasn't from Thanksgiving. Stuffing, green bean casserole, and some cheese, some jalapeno chihuahua cheese. So let's dive in and see how we're gonna do this. All right, we got 350 on the griddle over here. I got these on high, these on low. So let's go ahead and just get a little bit of that action going on. A little oil, a little butter. All right. Now we're gonna do the omelet right now. I'm not gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna make it right now. Go ahead and get it all done. Now this is, the omelet is a pretty common thing. I feel like a lot of people do this. It's just stuffing with omelet, basically, and cheese. And I'm gonna put some of the creamy jalapeno on there because that's my jam. So we're gonna get that going. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get started on all this stuff. Here we go. Let's get some of this stuffing on here. It's probably good. Don't need to use it all on this. We've got other plans for that. I'm gonna be doing so I got the omelet going right now, and then I'm gonna do a Thanksgiving sub sandwich, basically. Yeah, just get that chopped up nice and good, get it nice and toasty. Let it cook in that butter a little bit. Just let that go ahead and sit. All right, let's check the temperatures now. See how we're looking for these eggs. Yep. Let's see how we're looking on the old stuffing. Oh yeah, it's heating up good. You can tell it's getting nice and soft now. All right. You know what? I think we're good because it's gonna heat up a little bit in those eggs as well. So, let's see. Yeah, we're good on that. I'm gonna put a little bit more butter just to make sure. All right. A little glob so this butter doesn't burn. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and dive in to the eggs. Actually, let's get all this stuff over. I want to get it kind of in a circle. The eggs are going to want to run on me, so just kind of get it in somewhat of a circle. The eggs will kind of catch on the stuffing a little bit, and we'll see what happens. Now these are just 3 scrambled eggs with a tablespoon or so of milk with pepper. No salt because we're putting cheese on it. There we go. Stay in here. Stay in here. There you go. So once you get it going like that, just let it keep coming around and then just keep cutting it. That'll keep it in a circle. That way you don't have to, use a pan or anything like that. It's gonna hold you in here. All right. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. All right, get these eggs out. Let's go with the cheese. Ooh, actually, you know what? Here, let's do the creamy jalapeno first. This is some good stuff. It's real spicy this time too. Ain't gonna need much. There we go. That'll be good. Let's throw some cheese on here. And we're gonna be flipping this over, so look at all that. All right, now let's just let it sit and harden up a little bit. You see, it's starting to get good right now. So we'll bring it right back. All right, let's give this bad boy a flip. Oh, don't want to lose any of that. All right, come on. Going in here. Now that color is mostly from that butter that I burned, but that looks amazing. Ooh. And you can see the stuffing in there. Yes, look at that. This is looking really good. All right, so we got all that gas cut off. Here we got the plate, got my old cutting board. So let's just move this in right over. Huh? All right. I don't want it to break. There we go. Now this is 3 eggs, stuffing, cheese, and a jalapeno, creamy jalapeno sauce. So won't you come on in and check this out with me. All right, you see this. This is creamy. My mouth is watering looking at this. Ooh, that jalapeno sauce and all that. I want everything in one bite. Here you go. That is amazing. I mean, this is a pretty common thing. I know a lot of people do this. Man, stuffing. I love stuffing. It's one of my favorite parts of Thanksgiving. And it is spicy. That jalapeno sauce. So that's it for this one. We're about to jump into the sub sandwich. I'm gonna split this with the wife real quick. All right, almost forgot to plug my mic in. But so you got the oil and butter down. Now that omelet that I just made, well, I made this morning. It's lunchtime now. We're gonna have a sub with all these leftovers. So now I have all my burners on low. We're up to about 375. I'm gonna throw down some slices of turkey. Boom. I'm gonna put down, okay, let's go with some of this. Throw some stuffing on here. That should be good. All right. Throw down some of the green bean casserole. Not sure how much of that I'm going to put on each sandwich, so that should be good. And let's put down some taters. We got a good amount of butter already in these. There we go. A little bit more. There we go. There we go. All right. Now, let's see here. I'm gonna put put the buns over here. Let's move these up. And let's throw these buns. Now these are just your standard sub sandwich buns. Just cut them in half, get them toasting. All right. Now for these potatoes, I'm gonna kind of smash them down if it lets me. Not really gonna let me. It wants to stick to my spatula, so I'm just gonna kind of move them around. Make sure they get nice and warm. That ain't gonna take long at all. All right. So let's chop these up. Get these things cooking. I've had my griddle on for about, I don't know, 15 minutes, and I just put the burners on low. Because if you do that, it's gonna get nice and hot. You don't have to just crank it all the way up all the time. Do these. Oh yeah. Get them cooking up real good. All right, give these a flip. There we go, getting a nice cook on them. I'm gonna bring you guys in, see how this stuff's cooking up. All right, so we're just about done. Let's see how these rolls are doing. Let's get a nice little cook on it. Let's move that over where it's a little hotter. About this, yep. All right. Just a minute or so of this stuff heating up a little bit more, and we're gonna put this thing together. All right, so we're good to go. I'm just gonna move the turkey over. All right. Let's get let's put this bun right up here. Let that keep warming up. Let's get mine in here. Boom. Let's go like this. All right, let's start throwing this on here. Where do I want to start? Let's go with some taters. All right. Just gonna put them on there. There we go. Get a nice little thin layer of that. Let's go with some stuffing. Wants to run away. All right, let's go with the turkey. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. All right, top it off with the green bean casserole. All right. Kind of spread that along. It doesn't want to spread very good. Let's throw a little more in here. That's some hot food. And then over here we got the turkey gravy. Man, this looks good. We got all kinds of deliciousness in here. Ooh, got stuff falling out. Let's go ahead and dip you, baby. Oh yeah, let's get a little gravy on there. Ooh, that's hot. Mmm. That gravy is something else. Whew. You gotta do turkey gravy with the grease and all that from making the turkey. Oh, it's so good. Man, everything about this is delicious. Don't lose it. Ooh, man. Mm. Our green bean casserole has like crunchy dried up onions that goes on top. Got a nice crunch from them. Whew, man, that turkey's very good. Them taters. Man, there's just everything about this is just amazing. Like having Thanksgiving 2 days in a row. That's all I got. I'm gonna get in and eat this stuff. Appreciate you coming along. Like and subscribe. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.